Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to you all to this brand new video tutorial focused on ServiceNow. In today's session, we are going to explore the various rules and advanced skills that can now be seamlessly applied to the Build Agent. This particular functionality was a highly requested feature by our dedicated users and customers alike, and it has been officially available since the release of the August patch. This feature allows you, among other things, to configure custom skills, which are essentially instructions that can be activated on demand by your users. So here, for example, you have a skill that enables me to perform comprehensive audits directly on my platform. It is a prompt that I have pre-built with specific rules that can be applied globally for the entire instance, meaning that everyone can access that skill, or alternatively, for a specific application or a specific user. For example, this skill could be configured so that it is only available to me. I also have, as I was saying, the ability to create rules. So these rules the Build Agent will follow them automatically, meaning automatically you don't need to tell it, it will follow. For example here, the fact of reusing certain elements when I want to build agents. Or for example here, I asked it to limit me in what I can do. My Build Agent I won't be able to modify a data repository on the Build Agent. I won't be able to modify a flow. It's no matter the circumstances, it won't let me do it. And so that's very important because you'll be able to use it also to manage naming conventions, ways of writing code, for example, ways of writing your processes, generating documentation, how it does it, should it do it automatically? For example, every time you output this or that. And besides, this output can also be influenced by these rules you're going to put in place. To see this very concretely, I did a few little tests, and as you can see, I'm modifying a rush payment application, so a financial application. And here I asked it to modify the flows of my application, and it replied that it can't. I have a hard restriction, I can't modify flows, playbooks, and subflows no matter the circumstances. On the other hand, it offers to help me in another way if needed, using business rules, UI actions, etc. It could even analyze the flows for me, document them, but I'm not allowed to modify them. Following that, since I have been using this application quite frequently, I also requested that it perform an audit of my application. And so I went ahead and called up a skill I had configured. And so this audit started using the skill I'd configured. So it follows the rules set by the skill here. And there you go. It performed my audit. And afterwards, I have the output I wanted for my specific application. This works for an App Engine application here, but it could work just as well for the whole instance, for ITSM, for HR, for CRM, for SecOps, etc., etc. So these brand new rules and these additional skills are incredibly important for your daily operations. They have been in high demand for quite some time now. This represents a truly significant and substantial upgrade for your Build Agent, which will now be fully capable of operating in perfect alignment with the specific way your company works